Good morning. New house for sale in San Juan del Sur, community of Prado Hills. For now it's about like 10 houses. It's a new house that has just been finished. 3 bed, 2 baths, laundry, parking lot on the bottom, also some space outside to build the pool. You see the space is very spacious and a lot of lights, big windows. All the equipments are very good selected. So big AC, large fans, and on screen we see here a view of east, so we have like mountain, it's amazing. And you see the kitchen, the cabinets, you have like a very nice ceramic here. Hardwood as cabinet, it comes furnished, so it's a turnkey house. You will see beds and everything is here. So it's a turnkey house for sale in San Juan del Sur with BB Real Estate.